I know I haven't posted on my YouTube channel in a really long time. I'm going to try not do that again. I am cleaning my room. The newest addition to my room is this desk and my bassinet. I do not have a bassinet stand yet. The last time I checked, they weren't in stock. But yeah, we're just gonna get started. My baby clothing used to be hanging up here, but I'm switching it to my clothes because there's actually more room on this side for hanging up than there is on the other side. I'm also preparing for a new baby coming to my collection, which is very exciting. I haven't had a new baby in a long time, so I'll put a couple clips in of me preparing stuff. Okay, I know you can't really see me, but it's my window's open. Anyway, it's the next day. My camera died yesterday while I was trying to film, so I just did some stuff. I didn't really miss much, but I did set up this little cute clothing rack with all my baby clothing on it, so I'm going to show you that. I'm trying to downsize my baby clothing because I just have way too much, so I'm trying to see if I can just have this amount of clothing, and if I can, I'll get rid of everything else that I have. These are my favorite pieces at the moment. I'm going to do a whole video about baby capsule wardrobing, so I won't go into detail, but a lot of the things are things that I've made, like this little jumper or this little rainbow romper, but a lot of it is bought as well. But yeah, just a cute little mix of all my favorite baby clothing. And this is actually a play gym, like you're meant to put toys on it and the baby lays underneath, but I thought it made such a cute little mini clothing rack, you know? I don't know, I'm very happy with it, and I think it's going to stay there. And then the other thing that I did, which I just did today while I was showing you, is my sewing desk, which is here. So I'll just back up a little bit. Hello. So yeah, this is my sewing desk. It's just a plain white desk from IKEA, I believe, like the small-ish one, but it is perfect for sewing. So I've got my sewing machine, I've got this little wooden thing which doesn't have anything in it at the moment. I haven't figured out what's going to go in there. And then I have this little caddy. I'll zoom in a tiny bit. I've got this little caddy which has like just some sewing supplies. Got my scissors, this chopstick which I use to turn stuff in the right way. My pin cushion is back here. In here is my crochet hooks. I have way more than this, but I haven't found them all. But when I find them all, they'll all go in this compartment. And then here is my elastic, some lace, and some Velcro. And then there's a little tiny drawer here, which just has... We've got some safety pins, some cotton on a bobbin, and then like spools of cotton. I have my little... This is my little... clicker for my camera. I just put it in here so I know where it is. I've got a needle and thread, and then just all like sewing machine stuff, like extra needles, zipper foot, stuff like that, tweezers, quick unpick, an extra bobbin, a little brush to clean my sewing machine, and just a couple of random bits in there that came with my sewing machine. And then I also did just have my camera lens cap, again just so I know where it is. You can see me in the mirror over there. I put my mirror here because I don't have anywhere else to put it. I've put it here. And I have one more little wooden thing. This isn't really sewing related, but I'm putting it here until I have another spot for it. Oh, and then up on my windowsill, I put all my crystals on my windowsill, and that's a couple clay things that I need to paint. Oh, and a piece of elastic. Put that away. But yeah, I put all my... Let's see if I can turn this. Look, all my little crystals. This side is like more natural crystals, and then the other ones are like tumbled ones, like they're smooth. And then here, I've got this little dish, my little rose quartz in a heart shape. And then under that is just my little crystals that were too little to like put on the shelf, so I just put them all in here together. So, here's my full sewing desk. Oh, and I also have a stool to sit on while I'm sewing, but it's in another corner of my room. I'm going to try and keep it clear. Oh, I also have a basket. That's my basket of stuff that needs to be made. So, I've got lots of things in there that need to be finished off or made from scratch completely. So, I'm going to try and work through this basket before I cut anything else out of fabric, because I really like cutting out things and planning things, but when I actually get to the sewing part, it takes a lot more energy. But yeah, we're going to get through that at some point. Now, this is my third desk in my room. So the first desk had that clothing rack on it, and then the second desk is my sewing desk, and then this is my third desk. Do not ask me how I have 3 desks in my room. I have absolutely no idea how it all fits. But anyway, this is my baby desk, as I'm going to call it. It has my Moses basket on it, and all of my babies are in it. My dolls are in it at the moment. And then in this little drawer is some cute stuff, which I showed putting away some stuff into there last night, the little pants and stuff. But I really like this drawer because it comes out completely, so when I'm getting a baby dressed, I can fully take out the drawer, pick out all the little bits that I want, and then put it back in. And I did actually have this that I needed to put in there. But yeah, so I'm really happy with that. And then over this side, you can't really see, but there's another compartment here. And I'm just going to put my business packing supplies in there. So I've got some stickers and envelopes and paper and stuff in there. Let's see if you can see her. Aura says hi. I just changed her last night into this cute little jacket. Oh, she's out of focus, but you get the main idea. That's better. In focus now. Okay, here's Lottie, which I haven't really shown much on my YouTube channel yet, but this is my Maddie by Bonnie Brown. I haven't really showed her much because it's a lot harder filming videos with her because she's bigger. I definitely prefer filming newborn videos at the moment, but yeah, there she is. I'm thinking about selling her, but I'm not quite sure yet because I do like having her to like dress her up and stuff, but yeah, so we'll see. She might be for sale. Alright, the next step is the floor. The next step is the floor. Now, there's quite a few things on here. Good morning. It is Thursday today. I didn't mean for this to be so split up over multiple days, but it's just kind of happened like that. I don't really know what we're gonna do today. Might just do like a couple of like the little piles of stuff that have accumulated in my room, just kind of tidy up a couple of those.